Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the live character counter. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here I'm going to teach you like how we are going to count the character counter. Okay, so how many characters it has. It includes the spaces also. Here you can see the how many characters I have just added. Okay, sometimes you have the validation like 1,000 characters should be there. So in that scenario, how it's going to calculate it, you can just use that feature over there. Okay, how I have made this, let's go back to the tutorial. So here you can see that we have the tutorial regarding this. Okay, so here we have by default counter is 0. Okay, so first we're going to text the value. I'm going to get the value of that whatever written in the text box. Okay, now I'm going to just text dot length. I'm just calculating that length, the length of that text contact is. I'm just printing like this in the counter. That's it. Okay, so here we have a function count character. With the help of the text dot length will help you to just count whatever the letters you are just putting into the text box. Okay, so you can use that one very easy. Text dot length. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Here I have just used one thing, that is on input. Okay, so make sure you're using the on input, so you can just use that text dot length, right? Any doubt, inquiry, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.